Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome to a fantastic Friday where real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds like Auction, like Avi, like Bruce, like Bull, like Carl, like Chain, like DB, like Dwayne, like Eli, like Hal, like Jan, like John, like Lee, like Matt Jollywally, like Mo, like Mueller, like Pascal, like Stefan, and Steven and Vicky. Welcome in, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome. My name is Bobby, Sweet Bobby, and I will be in Atlanta tomorrow. Hope some of you are coming to the big tasty live show tomorrow with Tom Shosnoff in the game. So I will be there bright and early in the morning. Hope to see so many of you there. So be kind of nice just to sit around and chew the fat a little bit. So hopefully we'll see you in Atlanta in the morning, provided I can get up early. I had to get up around 7 o'clock, take me a 5 minute shower, and head on to Atlanta. So that sounds like a good plan tomorrow. So looking forward to seeing so many of you here. And anyway, here we are on this Friday, and the market is really doing nothing. Really nothing. And now the market was up, and then the market was down. Look at this. This is our opening 15-minute range. Then we went down, 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 and then we've gone back up. And so we're just sitting here at this little pivot point, just pivoting back and forth, oscillating back and forth. So the market's only up 5.75 points. And like I say, it was much more than that earlier. The VIX is still in the 15 handle. AD is a 59. And you can see we went down, the AD went down, and then the AD goes up, and then the AD has just been consolidating, and it looks like it's going up just a little bit now. So AD moves, then price, and then we check volume out to confirm the movement. So going up just a little bit now. Let's look at the big green monster. Big green monster is, we see where the area of support and resistance is. It's not hard to see that this is the area of support and resistance. So we are fairly priced now. We dipped into being oversold earlier today, and now we are fairly priced. And I still believe, well, we've made our target. You see this, we made the target. Amazing how this thing just pegged the top exactly 566.3, and then it bounced down and then back up and then here. And so our new target is 5663 again. And we'll probably head back to the point of control first, the 5637. And in the coming days, I think that we'll probably resume our move upwards, and we'll call an upward target of 5717. Look at the linear regression. Linear regression is still in a period of consolidation. This is a longer period of consolidation than most, where we're just sitting here trying to figure out which way that the market wants to go. So we have expansion and contraction. And normally with contraction, we'll have lower volume, and then this thing will be wound up tight, and then kaboosh, we should hit our resuming its overall upward climb. So the market's doing what the market normally does. So let's see how our little account is doing today. Well, let's look at Skew Driver first. We've been doing the Skew Driver here, haven't we? So let's see. We don't have any 31 days. We've got 30 days here. Let's see. How come my screwdriver's not working? My screwdriver is not working. Hold on a second. Let's see if we can do screwdriver to get him to working right. Screwdriver. Here we go. So we got 31 days there, and looks like the $5.20 is about 47 points down. 47, 42. Let's see. Let's call it, give it a second. 47, 47, going once, 42. All right, so let's do 42 on the Skew Driver. I'm glad we're looking at the Skew Driver again. We need to keep doing that. Let's see. Let's do this. Yeah. Here we go. So today is 8:30. God, I'm glad for some cold weather, y'all, some cooler weather. It is 90. What is it here today? 90 degrees. Goodness. What do we say? 43? About the same thing. And let's go get that there. Not sure why that's not auto-populating. So let's go see what it looks like on our little graph here. Skew Driver, still around 43. Okay. So nothing really to see here on the Skew Driver. It just is what it is. We may look at that every day or so, but let's see how our little account's doing today. 8:30, 24. Market is up a little bit, and our account is, I think we were up a little bit. 75, 988.65. We didn't get any theta decay here. Praise the Lord, we're up $32.65.
Well, we're moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
And we are at -1, -20, -1 Vega. How about that? -1, -20. Put that in, -1, -20. And this is an experiment, y'all, to see if we can do what we're trying to do here. You know, I was sitting there thinking, and some of you may not agree with me, suspending the 111s, but it's kind of like this. It's kind of like I was making a protein smoothie and I was putting my peanut butter and my milk and all that stuff in the blender, and I stuck my finger in the blender, and the blender accidentally come on and chopped my fingers off on my right hand. Let's just pretend that happened. That was August the 5th. And then all of a sudden you're like, oh, well, let's finish the smoothie and let's keep making another smoothie and let's go stick my left hand in there and cut my fingers off. I'm not going through that again. I'm just not going through that again. That's the way I started thinking. August the 5th was my fingers in a blender, and I don't want my fingers in a blender anymore. So let's go over here. Positions, count requirement. And today's the 30th. This goes down a little bit, right? But let's see, count requirement. Do this. Still 990, or we'll go with the initial requirement, whichever one of these is higher. I'll go with 1,000. Just being conservative. So we're not using any of our buying power, which is good. And then let's go and look at our hedges. Let's see where our, okay, we're getting close, y'all. 35 cents. This was 45 cents yesterday. It's 35 cents today. And this still has 50 days left to go. And let's look at our little hedges. See how we're looking here. And everything looks good. We got a 3, 5, we got a 12 and a 20. Everything looks really, 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 really good. Yep. So that's all there is to it. We're a one-trick pony. All right, we're about to go in the Muscadine Mafia section where we're going to look at a small account and see if we can do the same thing in a small account. So all of you have a great day, and I will see you with Muscadine Mafia and hello, ladies.
Hello, ladies.
In the Muscadine Mafia session coming up next.